Can you see it or? That's fucking gangster cars. Oh shit, cars. If the sun's up, you should be up. What is it? What is it? No fucking day, baby! Winker. Yes. Oh, shut up. I'll just make a quick video today. Just a quick one. Just a quick one. We put a fucking double sidey on the fucking tida, so let's do it. Let's do it. I'm excited. He's excited, so let's fucking do it. Step 1, unbolt exhaust. Step 2, take whole exhaust off. Step 3, cut exhaust, weld Y pipe to that, and I'll just explain later on. But yeah, so we're just gonna take this whole exhaust off now, and then I'll show you what we're gonna be doing with them. The one in the paddock.
This is what mine used to sound like, right?
Nah, in the what's the name, paddock? By the first gate when you go on the paddock. It's going to. Yeah, it's going to. It's going to. Alright.
Apparently that thing used to spit flames.
Yeah, my old one used to. My old one, I just had it unbolted from there, so I want to fucking put them right here. Bro, two of them right there.
They eat 20 Ds.
Oh, yep.
If they ever fucking line up on
Right. So we're going to chop him there, and then we're going to weld the Y pipe onto it, and then the Y pipe's going to get wang or dang, and then it's just going to go or bang, and then we'll bang, and then whoosh. Where's the Y pipe? Ah, you see him? You see him? That makes 2. That makes 2. So that means we make 2 bang. Onto one of the exhausts that I said sitting out there. Got 2 of these. And we're just going to whack them up on there. Weld them in there. And would you look at that? It's a double fucking sidey, baby. Why aren't you excited enough about it? We're putting a fucking double side exit on a fucking tida. Yeah, see, that's the energy I want to hear. Alright, we're around the corner again, got some more shit. So I'm going to use these 2 pipes to make it go the bang, 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 and then use those 2 little ones as like little tippies. As little tip johns, because they got like... They got like, little tip johns on them. So, yeah. So, yeah. Put that, oh yeah, they work way better anyway. Put that in there, and then that onto there. Even like that, yo, ho, 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 ho. I don't know if it's gonna be long enough. I might have to extend it a little bit more, but. Alright, so yeah, I actually got that other pipe that's off the tida to just slip on with that shield. So I'm probably just gonna take it on there and then just do a couple tacks around there because it doesn't seem it's gonna really leak too much. So that looks fucking perfect. I lined it up and it's almost still sit on the car perfectly. So take this up real quick and then work on those little, as long as it holds. Alright, beautiful. So those 2 sides. I mean, that looks pretty fucking primitive. I don't even think it's really gonna leak. So I think that's sweet. That's pretty much primo. I'm probably gonna bolt it on and then get those other sideys, take those other sideys when it's underneath there, and then undo it, and then fucking properly weld it up, and then it should be sweet. Alright, so that's the goal. Just gonna slap that puppy up on there. So I'm gonna weld those two motherfuckers onto this. So we got the double sided, and then I might just have to extend these a little bit longer to then get them out to extrude and get the dog sitting like something like that. Alright, so I got that side tacked on. So now I'm just gonna go onto the other side, take that side on, and then find some little bits of pipe to extend a little bit, and then we should be on. Oh shit, yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah, since this pipe's wavy in this pipe, I'm just gonna make some slits here, smack that in with a hammer so it's just less to weld in. And then you fill in those gaps, get those some little extensions for that, and then primo cuz.
Beautiful, man.
Look at that. Absolutely fucking stunning, bros. So, yeah, I'm going to probably bolt that back on and then or even just sit it underneath there, then cut the other bits to extend a little bit, and then we should be fucking primo, cuz. Hey, how you like that one, G? Come on here, come on here, come on here. Oh shit, cousin, that's pretty legit, to be honest. That's the most legit fucking double sided I've done. Look at that. Fucking legit-y as, cuz. No, obviously you have to like slip out a little net, so you can open the door and close the door or whatever, but to be primo, I just slightly tacked it up. It's a bit dodgy, so try and unbolt it, take it all off nicely, and then weld it all up, and then put it on. We should be done. Alright, you beauty. She's all fucking beautifully welded up now. I'm just gonna bolt it on. Hopefully she'll be still in the same place, and then I'll probably just fucking straight tack weld it to the fucking body here, and it should be primo as, cuz. Alright, well, we did run into a bit of a dilemma. Hey, fuck it. There you go. Alright, yeah, it's not perfect like it was, because, yeah, pretty sure those are all the fuel lines, so I just tacked this bit of metal in there. Just a little fucking fuel line blocker, mate. How good is that? Fresh. But look at that. Fucking fresh as, mate. Put a little bracket there, mate. Bracket on the other side. Just welded it to the fucking whole door on that side. Show them the side, show them the side. Woo! So, yeah, we'll fucking jack it down and see what the bitch sounds like. It's on fire, is it? So scared that the cunt's gonna catch fire, eh? John, mate, you fucking got me petrified, eh? You got me absolutely just...
Very trust me. It looked like an earthquake.
Oh, why would you take the key out the ignition?
We got it, mate, we got it, mate. Ready?
Nah.
You ready? Oh, mate, it's primo.
That's tough. Again? That's tough, cuz. Now give it a rev. Oh.
I'm stoked as with that. That's so cool. That is
Is it?
It's gangster as, cuz.
Is it?
Fuck it is.
It's pretty bad. That's pretty bad.
Yeah, I do that. That's my job. That's my job. Alright, yo, so we're gonna tie this place up, make it in the primo again, and then, yeah, that's me. That's so raspy. Oh, I'm so keen to go thrash this thing now. Beautiful. Alright, I'll keep that a nice short video, but, yo, probably fucking another damn Ram Dog's life, baby. Stay you, stay beautiful, stay the fucking way you are, because that's the best way. Double sided in the fucking tida. Oh, that's so good, eh? Give it a little pull, eh? See what she sounds like now. Oh, that's way better, cuz. That is way better, cuz. Fuck yeah. It already seems a bit low, but I mean, it'll be right. Oh, I didn't scrape on these bits. Fucking primo, cousin. Alrighty. But remember, if there's any fucking chances, if there's anything you've been procrastinating about, absolutely take any chance in your life. Because if you're worried about taking any risks, mate, it was risky when you were born, it was risky when you do anything. Every single thing you do in life is really risky. So why not take a chance because something's risky or because someone else says you can't do it? 100% it's your life, you do what the fuck you want to do, mate. We on. Oh, Beautiful.